Now you're probably asking why I just showed you that commercial. Well, because it showed me the number one reason that people are gonna subscribe and watch your videos. Now I'm gonna keep this super short and sweet. What you wanna do is find a problem and find a solution and also create value for it. So that commercial, for example, that commercial is seeing the duck and why this is happening, and you're invested in seeing the solution. So same thing with YouTube videos. If you're watching a video, you are clicking on it to probably find a solution or be entertained. So having a solution to whatever problem people are trying to find is really important. So let's say you're trying to find an affordable camera. If I suggested to you the most affordable camera that I use, then you're going to be better off because you have that information that you can look for and at least go off of to get your solution. So if I tell you this is a good camera, then you're automatically getting a solution to your problem. And explain why that camera is so good. I'm creating value because you're obviously getting all the information in one place, and you're also getting it in a very concise and very seamless way. Now, before we continue on with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. Anyway, let's get right back to the video. Now, people are going to watch your video because they've invested their time into finding out a solution, and they're invested the time into watching your video. So if you can provide the solution for whatever problem you're trying to show, then you've automatically got that person invested in you, but also your video. So they're more likely to subscribe and also watch till the end of your video. It's a super simple way. Just plan it out and find great ideas, and you'll be able to create great YouTube videos that are solving people's problems or entertaining them. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of my videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any social media, it's going to be right here. Follow it and let me know what you want to see next. And I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.